Bonjour everyone, it's me Tian, and today it's finally time to show you guys step by step of how I introduce all of my kittens and cats in one room without doing the whole slow, traditional isolation, gradual introduction process. By now, all of my cats are very fond of each other. They're very good friends. They eat together, they play together, and at the end of the day, they sleep together as well. And I believe that's the key concept that every cat owner need to understand to have good, healthy inter-cat relationships is that everything that's fun and rewarding has to be done together. So let's dive into it right now.